you guys, we are doing long form content for the first time ever really on this new and improved YouTube channel. So obviously today I am just painting the wishing well that's out front of my house. We're going with like a pink and teal, just like the actual home. So it's like a little baby mini home. And I really just want to experiment with this channel and have longer form content for you all to sit back and enjoy and hopefully be more relatable to the YouTube audience. I have never really dove headfirst into YouTube, so I'm really excited to see that we're over 11,000 subscribers currently on just my short form content. I'm completely out of my comfort zone, but here I am, I'm showing up and we're painting this wishing well. Someone requested this, so thank you for requesting it, by the way. And I'm just, it's so fun and it's beautiful. Slow down! It's beautiful weather today, so I'm excited about that. And I'm just being messy and sloppy jalopy, painting away with the nice breeze. And yeah, I'll keep you updated as we go. As you can see here, we're obviously gonna need multiple coats of paint for this bad girl, but I think she's looking cute. And of course, I'm just using Valspar. They really need to sponsor me. They have never ever worked with me. Neither has Lowe's. And I'm like so determined to get them to want to work with me one day. And also here's the information about this paint. It's called Rose Dust. I wasn't too confident about what I was doing with this, but I am having visions. Visions of the gaudy variety, honey boo. So we're bringing the color from the roof down to this part because I think in the long run, that'll just balance out really nicely. Vision is telling me to do this pink, the bucket pink, and the handle. Y'all, I've been waiting for the first coat to dry, and so it finally has. It's like 8 at night, but look at how pretty my house looks at night. I'm just seriously in love with the makeover that we've all been doing together because, you know, my house is tiny and it's super old, so getting it to look cute can be somewhat of a challenge. But I'm absolutely loving how Gorgina George this is looking. Like, this is so me to a T. I love my swan gate so much. And just everything is coming along swimmingly. I need to clear this whole section out. And then I need to fix the fence and things like that. But it is so peaceful out here. And I just wanted to share that with you. So I'm going to get back to painting until it gets dark. Time to call it for the night, but listen to the sounds of nature out here. How beautiful is that? Morning, y'all. It's about 8 a.m. and we are on day 2 of redoing the wishing well. This pink paint is looking fabulous. So we're going to start on the bottom now. And I was thinking to do this pink color because it matches up there in these hearts that I have to extend over here. So I think I like that a lot, and I'm going to use the teal. Some of you might be wondering, what about the teal? I'm going to use that for something else that's going to be super fun and whimsical. So as you can tell, I'm just being super messy with this because I'm going to do another layer of paint. I know, I hate doing like multiple layers of paint, and I'm hoping that I have enough in here. I probably don't, but we're gonna try. But I just feel like that way it'll hold up better. We are making such good progress, guys. I am in love with this. Originally, I wasn't gonna paint the inside. I was gonna be lazy, but I'm having this vision, and I think it's going to be a sleigh. Decided to paint the bucket pink. However, I'm wondering if I should paint the bottom of it blue because technically that part is underwater. And now I have to paint the inside of the bucket because I'm just not liking that brown. Okay, y'all, this is a few days later. I forgot that I was filming long form content, so I'm gonna update you on the wishing well. But also, we ripped out all of that nasty, like, greenery that was here. It was like all weeds. I have to clean all of that up, but this is looking a lot better. If not a little bald for my liking, but I'm loving the way the heart bench looks here. I'm going to do something super fun with the heart bench. I'm not going to say yet, but I'm having visions for it. And then here's the house. I haven't made any changes in the last few days. The fence is still down, but we're gonna fix that. And then obviously I just have to show you my swan gates in the daylight because they are just the prettiest thing I have ever seen in my life. But yeah, this is what we're looking like right now. Can you slow the F down? And here's the reveal of Miss Wishing Well that I've been working nonstop on for the last few days. How cute is she? I am absolutely in love with her. So as you can see, I did a disco topper here, which I just cut the top off a disco ornament from Five Below because this is all foam, and I slammed it down onto the top, which is super cute. And then I disco tiled, obviously, these little stripes going down the ceiling or the roof of the well. And then I mosaic tiled the scalloped edges here all around. Mitchell helped me with this. He's my partner, and it is just so, so cute. My goal, obviously, was to go for gaudy and shiny. This is 100% my style, by the way. So I just love, love, love it. And then I had this idea to fill this with bubbles and rubber ducks because obviously I am me, and I wanted it to look like a bubble bath because I've never seen anyone do a wishing well that looks like a bubble bath before. So all the bubbles and the ducks are from Dr. Professor Daddy Michael's. And then I disco tiled the bucket and I put pirate treasure in there because why not? I might add more. So that's the update on the well. Also, I named her Wellissa. Now, I need all of your opinions on this because this is where she sits. She sits in this little cutout because a tree was cut down here before we owned the house, before we bought it. And so that covers the stump. So we were clearing all this out. I had this idea, why don't we make this look like a faux pond? So what do you guys think of that? Like if the inside was pretend water? I don't know how to do it. Like maybe blue pebbles, or I don't know, spray paint the pebbles that are in there already, or leave your ideas and your suggestions because I think the well sitting here looking like it's overflowing with bubbles and water here would be just so cute and whimsical for this aesthetic that I'm going for. The neighbors are going to be like calling the police on me, but I don't even give a shit because I think that will be the cutest thing ever. And yeah, this is my front. I also trimmed all of these willow trees or willow bushes that we planted here a year and a half ago. They got so big. So if you're looking for privacy at your own home, get these willow bushes because they are just like, they're going crazy. Their wigs are wigging out. But yeah, I just love the wishing well so much. She's so cute. And she's a sleigh. She's a total sleigh. I'd also like to say thank you so much for 20,000 subscribers on this channel. I've had dreams of doing YouTube since I was like 10 years old. And to finally be growing an audience on here specifically feels so special. And for you guys engaging and reaching out to me, it just seriously touches me so deeply. This is something that dreams are made of. And I know that sounds corny because it's only 20,000 subscribers. I know it's not that big of a deal. But I'm really grateful to be connecting in this way, in this creative way, in this positive way. That's my whole mission in life, is to just be whimsical and creative and positive and bubbly and sparkly and gaudy and shiny. And I'm just so glad that you found me and that we found each other. I also have other platforms on TikTok and Instagram under the same name, and also on Facebook. So if you want to connect with me there or message me or chit chat, please do so. I love you so much. And this is just the beginning of this YouTube journey. So I hope we can continue to grow together and be inspired by each other. But yeah, let me know about that wishing well, the faux pond idea, if you think I'm gonna get thrown out of the neighborhood or not. And I love you so much. Thank you for watching this longer form content. I know it's kind of a mess, but I will get better. I promise I will get better.